In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy profile picture just like this. Now, this is extremely easy to use. We are going to be using a Canva Pro feature, and if you want to try Canva Pro free for 30 days, then there will be a link down in the description. So, let me show you how I went ahead and created this. First of all, we're going to need a background. So we're going to come up to Elements, then we're going to type in Gradient Wallpaper. Now I found that with a gradient, it just makes it look that little bit nicer. Now we're going to click Enter, come down to Graphics, and then you can choose any type of gradient just here that you like. Now for this example, I already have one, which is just here, which is this orange. So what we're going to do is make this bigger. So we're just going to expand the edges like so. From here, you're going to need your profile picture. Now we're going to use this one to do this, and what we're going to do is crop this ever so slightly, like so, and then we're going to enlarge. So let's go ahead and make this bigger, and now we're going to use the background remover, which is a Canva Pro feature. Now to do this, we click on the image, come up to Edit Image, and then we can use the background remover. Once that's done its thing, we now click Apply, and then we want to make a white outline round the edge of the image. Now to do this, we go onto Shadows, we go onto Glow, then we click the glow again, and now we have these settings. Now from here, we can change this to white, or any colour that you like. I just suggest playing around with it and finding a colour that you like. Now we're going to turn this blur all the way down, we're going to turn the transparency all of the way up, and then we can play around with the size. So you can have it as thin or as thick as you like. For this example, we're going to go with this. Now we're going to click Apply, and let's move down the image ever so slightly. Now from here, what we're going to do is download this image. So we're going to go to Share, we're going to go to Download, choose the page that we need. For this example, it's page number 2, click Done, and Download. We're now going to take this image and upload it into Canva. Then what we need is a new page, and we need a circle frame. So we're going to come up to Elements, and we're going to type in Circle Frame. If we click on that, we have the frame section just here. We can go to See All, and we're going to choose this one. Now we're choosing this one because this has a little border around the outside, which we can change the colour. So we're going to change that to yellow by coming down to this yellow, clicking onto the colour, the plus sign, and just increasing that brightness ever so slightly. Now we're going to make this bigger as well, so let's drag the sides like so, and from here we can put our image that we just created into this frame. So now if we drag that in, or we can just click on the image and then put it in, but now we have the makings of our profile picture. If you want to adjust this, you want to double click on the image, and this is where you can expand to fit the circle however you please. We're going to keep it at that, we're going to click Done, and now that's practically done. So from here, we're going to use another Canva Pro feature, which is the transparent background. So we come up to Share, we come up to Download, we click Transparent Background. So this right here is the Canva Pro. We're going to choose the page that we want, which for this example is page number 3. We click Download, and there we go. We now have our profile picture where we can use wherever we want. So now if we take this, let's just plug that into Canva, we can see that if we open a new page and put that on the page, it's a transparent background in a circle. So no matter where this goes, you can change the colour, and it's always going to look good because we have that transparent background. Now we've also put it into a circle because most social platforms or anywhere where you can create a profile normally has a round image, a circle, as we can see up here on my Canva profile just here. So that's how to make a profile picture here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.